Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Poco launcher, which is just got released, and this launcher is from the origin of the Poco phone. So yeah, I'll be getting into the video straight without any intros. So let us begin. So getting into the Play Store, the Poco launcher is actually for a limited people only. That means only a few people can install it. But right now, as you can see, it says the early access program is currently full. The space may open up in the later in the future time. So you guys would have thought that you have to wait until the next update or the next space to come up. So I'll be showing I'll be helping you guys to skip that part and get right into the Poco launcher without waiting for any updates or any space to come out. So this is the link which I'll be giving out in the description. You can just go check it out, and if you want you can download it from there also. So I'll be pasting that link in my Chrome browser. I've already pasted it before, so I'm just gonna download it. So here is the link for downloading, and once clicking on that, it just goes to your G drive. Select your G drive and open it. The Poco launcher's installation would happen. So I've already installed the Poco launcher on my device, so that's the reason the downloading process did not show up. It's almost about a 15 MB file. So it's after getting it installed, it is almost like the normal what launcher you see on the Poco phone, which you're gonna see it in the next few moments. So taking quite long time and just scanning for the any text or something in the launcher. So it's everything here. So right now I'm just gonna remember my choice and select on the Poco launcher. So once you select on the Poco launcher, it pops up this screen saying the Poco launcher. Then hit on start, and it gives you option to choose your current wallpaper as well as the Poco wallpaper. So I'll be using the Poco wallpaper. I'll select on OK. I'll tap on allow permissions, open settings, and find for Poco. Poco launcher. Give it the permission. Coming back from that, and voila, you're in the Poco launcher. So basically this launcher has everything what they promised to give it on the Poco phone. It does even get that RAM management thing right here, and it has basically a same UI of the MI UI 9 or MI UI 10, but it does not have a sliding option to select your apps. It's just got a new app drawer. In the app drawer, all the apps are categorized into lifestyle, photography, tools, communication, personalization, games, shopping, entertainment, and that's it. And you do get a search bar below to search your apps. So right now I'll show you the settings of the Poco launcher. Getting the Poco launcher, you can change the icon pack. So icon pack, you can add even more from the Play Store. So I'm just gonna skip that part. You do even get the app suggestions, which you can switch it off, and it just groups automatically the apps. You can even switch it off or switch it on. Manage app groups. You can either hide the group or just display the group, and you can even fill the empty cells, fill screen. Then the lock home screen layout and add installed apps to the home screen automatically can also be turned on. And you can even group the icons through color, which I'll be showing you now. So you can just like group all your icons. If I tap on red, it's just gonna give me all the apps which have the red color present in them. If I tap on yellow, it's just gonna give all the colors of apps which have yellow. And this is a very useful feature where you have too much of apps in your app drawer and you're not able to find those apps. And the last feature which I want to show you guys, and I feel it's kind of helpful, which you haven't seen on any MIUI devices, that is the hide apps feature. and to start that you need to get into settings and switch on the hide apps. So I'll verify my fingerprint and confirm my password and tap on OK. So it just gives me the instructions to view those hidden apps. So swiping double times from the home screen gets you into the hide apps section. So you can just hide apps like this. I'm just gonna show you. So once you do that, and there's the note kind of button over there, so I'll hit on Amazfit as well as Amazon and click on OK. So these two apps have been hidden. So you can see those two apps isn't showing over here. And yeah, I feel this was a great feature and had to be implemented on MIUI 9 on the stock system launchers, but that hasn't have done until now. So I guess this thing would be helpful. So thank you guys for watching. That's all for this Poco launcher installation video, and yeah, I'll meet you guys in the next video. Until then, subscribe, like and share this video, and do comment down below if there is any errors in installing this video. Thank you guys.